What's up, guys? It's Silver Seeker, and we have a very fun but quick video for you today, guys. Inside this package right here are the 1 ounce silver Boba Fett coins. I am very, very excited to get this package open. I've been waiting for them. Let's get it open. Let's go, guys. Very, very excited to see what's in this box. All right, guys, let's go ahead and peel this thing open. And peel it back, and as you can see inside we do have like a wrapped foam package. We'll go ahead and get that out. We will grab our handy dandy Silver Seeker knife, and we are going to cut right into this thing, guys. We want to be gentle not to hit the coins themselves. Now I do see the invoice, so let me go ahead and get that out. Okay, now that I have removed the invoice, let's go ahead and get out the roll. Very cool. Look at that, guys. On the top you can see it says New Zealand Mint. So let's go ahead and get these open. Like I said, these are the Boba Fetts. So excited to take a look at these up close. One full tube. As you can see on the reverse, you got 2020 Nui, $2 face value. You got Queen Elizabeth right there. Let's go ahead and gently get one of these out. And look at that, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. 1 ounce silver Boba Fett. That is a beautiful piece of silver right there. Oh my goodness. Man, I should have ordered more of these. These things are just gorgeous, guys. Look at that. Let's take a look at the reverse again now that we have it up close. Of course, again, Elizabeth 2 Nui, $2 2020 with a $2 face value. Boy, that's pretty. Alrighty, guys, so that is it for this very quick video. Like I said, it wasn't going to be a long one. We got a tube of 25 of those. Was waiting for these to come in. Very excited to have them in my hands. Thank you so much for joining me for this unboxing. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, if you haven't done so yet, before you go, make sure you like and subscribe. Leave a comment below if you want to let me know what you think of these beautiful coins, and we will see you in the next one. Hey, thank you so much for watching, and I do hope that you enjoyed the video. Now, really quick before you go, over here I do want to give a huge shout out to all of my channel members. Thank you so much for your support of the channel. It means the world to me. Guys, we also have some videos up here you can check out. If you haven't done so yet, click on those. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe before you go.